Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your online status on Viber. Keep in mind, if you turn off your online status, you will also won't be able to view other users' online statuses. So if yours is turned off, you also won't be able to see if someone else that you're chatting with is online, when they have been last seen, etc. So first we're going to start off by going to our settings. Here we're going to select the second option that we have, privacy. And as you can see, the third option we have is share online status. So it's currently set to on. We're going to go ahead and click on that and turn it off. And remember, if you turn it off, you can change the settings once every 24 hours. So if you turn it off today, you will be able to turn it back on the next day. You won't be able to turn it on again. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!